Hi everyone, Jean Lurson here. I'm pleased to say that I've finally finished my course on abstract landscapes in watercolor. It's now live, and if anyone is interested in doing the course, I've put a link to it below with a 25% off coupon for the whole of this coming week. So I thought, in celebration of completing the course and now be able to do more frequent YouTube videos, I thought I would do a quick abstract landscape to show you how you can create interesting patterns with your watercolors. So I'm wetting the paper, not too much, but just so that the paint will flow a little bit. And I'm going to take some phthalo turquoise and maybe some raw sienna into that. And I just want to wet the outsides a little bit to keep it fluid and no harsh lines. So you don't want to wet it too much because of what I'm going to do with some acrylic inks. I want to get some interesting textures with acrylic inks, and I see it's getting a little too wet there. So the beauty of using acrylic inks in watercolor is that the watercolor repels the inks and you get some interesting patterns. See, I want to make them a little bit darker because they do dry lighter. I like what's going on there, so I'll just leave that. Now, another color ink that I'm also going to use, which just always sort of makes the watercolors pop, is some white, but I don't want to overdo the white. So I'll just do it in a few places. And sometimes you have to go over it if it's too wet because it'll fade too much when it dries. Now you can take your palette knife and probably at this time go through and do some stems. And when the paint dries a little bit, you can actually get some white stems going through. It's not quite at that point yet. Let's put a little bit more white here. I just wanted to give you an idea of what you can do, and you should just experiment with watercolor and your acrylic inks. I see this brown here is a little too harsh, and so I wanted to just throw in a bit of white. And you could throw in another color too, just to make it interesting. Just wanted to give you an idea of what it's like to create a quick little abstract landscape that you can use as a greeting card. If anybody's interested in doing my course, there's a link to it below. It's the students from these courses that actually enable me to do these free tutorials on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.